So I've been seeing these Orbitkey Nest all over the place. Customized storage to suit your specific needs. And so what I do like about the packaging, at least, is that this little flap comes up right here so that you can see everything that is in it. So I'm going to unbox this to see if it is worth it. As you can see from this top-down shot, I have a lot of stuff on my desk, and when I need to transport things between here and the office, I'm wondering if this is going to help me out. Now, because my wife is a Google partner, this is branded Google Partners. It is straight up baked in, so there's no taking that off. On open, you can see that we have this port charger thing right here. So it's going to go in the lid right there, and then you're going to plug that into, I guess, either your computer or your wall. I did already open this to see if it would work. It does work. And then you have some little like ties here, and then you have all these little dividers. You have all of these individual oh, you can take that out. Look at that. You have all of these little pockets right here for different cards. So this is like elastic. Come back on like that. I think they have that like this so that you can take this off and so that you can wirelessly charge your stuff. Not sure if I'm a fan of this kind of like, you see how easy that was to come out? That's kind of annoying. We're gonna see how much stuff I can get in here and just organize it with all of these little organizers. Let's just assume that we want to have this little thing in here that's going to charge it, otherwise it's kind of pointless. Let's see if I can fit my iPad charger in here, and maybe we can like kind of smush this against here, but it's a little divider right there so it can't get out. All right, I think I've maxed out pretty much what we can put in here for the moment. Let's see if we can get this in here. That'd be pretty hard to get out of there, but this one might actually fit in this slot right here. And then we're gonna close this, and it will not close, and that is because of the sleeve. Let's see if I can just lay my sleeve across. It's still not quite, I guess it's too bulky. I got it to kind of close. Put it like that. It's definitely still open, like 1000% still open around the side. It's supposed to be flush. Let's see what happens if I take the field notes out, because I have a thought that it's the field notes that's doing that. Nope, it's like literally opening right here. It's supposed to be flush like that. I just want to try to get it to close completely, and I wonder if it's this thing that's doing it. This block is just like a little bit too high. So if I take the block out, yep. But that kind of defeats the purpose of wanting to, I don't know, have it charge on the go. Drawing utensils in like that. That's kind of nice. It's the portable charger for your phone that does the trick. But if we just do like a quick catalog of what's left, I always have this, I always have my charging block, an extra SanDisk, the cable I couldn't get in there, all my SD cards. And so now you can see everything is shifted around a bunch. Not a ton, but it's shifted around some. Could stack both SSDs. So maybe you think about this as something that you don't have to open all the time. You guys would have to show me like how you're using it. But I mean, I could see this as like potentially not having to open it all of the time. Then that might be nice. And I think the allure of this is that it's like, it's got a place for you to set your stuff here on the top, and then like you can charge your phone. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I have taken it with me once in my backpack to work and back. I opened it to get the things out of it that I needed. Didn't want to take the time to put it back in to go home, so I just threw everything that I normally throw in my bag. It's really meant for desk organization. I don't think it's meant to be like taken all over the place. I think it's meant to be like, okay, I need to clean up my desk real quick. I've got people coming over and I'm about to shoot a video. Let me throw a bunch of stuff in here. This guy has a mouse, his wallet, charger, the AirPods, a charging block, which looks to be thinner than mine, and then I think what that is an Apple Watch band or a key band. Is this a Gimmick? You let me know in the comments. I have this linked down in the description if you want to check it out. It is my affiliate link, so I will get a small kickback if you decide to get one. But if you don't want to get one, I don't blame you. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to have a conversation about this. It does look nice. It is super cool. That's all I got. So I will see you in the next video.